Yeah. This is the only game that actually scares me.
Yeah, this is the only game that actually is scary.
Yeah, facts.
Goodbye.
Oh, look at that! Look at that meatball! Oh, you see that meatball?
Can you get? Don't destroy our. Oh, it's safe. Come. Dude, stole my dude. Wait, what happened? Oh my god!
Yo, get in the get in the pit.
It's tomato soup.
Yeah, nothing else. It's only tomatoes.
Yeah, it's soup.
Close the door for
Okay,
safety.
I think.
Tomato soup, so good. What the hell?
Help me!
His arm! Open the door! Boys?
Yeah, I want tomatoes.
America!
Oh look, it's Ben. Ben. How you doing? Eat the tomatoes!
No! Yes! Close that door! Oh my god! Where's P at? Where's Casper
P,
at?
where are you? Casper.
Steve?
Yeah.
Come back!
Where's Steve the horse? Okay, that's Steve.
That's
That's
Gorilla
Steve.
Man. Oh! Get into the soup room! Bro, gotta find a way for him to
Go
heal
to the
us.
soup.
Go to the soup room!
Guys, where are you? I'm at the store. Hi guys,
We're in the soup room!
Welcome to my vlog.
Go to the soup room!
Welcome to my vlog, guys. Today I'm gonna be
Bro, I'm skittish now, I can't.
Today I'm gonna be. Wait. No, I have a great idea. I know how to get higher
What?
how you can have more FOV.
Let's go looking for him.
Guys, can you come to the store? I don't know where to go.
He wants us to die.
Wait.
Bro, come on,
Wait.
let's go. Let's go find him.
Yeah. Wait,
Let's run,
let
let's
me
run.
just-
Yeah, let's go. Let's go, bro.
Go.
Oh crap,
Steve is
that's
right
the
there.
gorilla man. Let's
You
keep
mean
going.
Steve?
Man.
Oh no!
Jump scare warning, probably. Probably jump scare warning, jump scare warning. Jump scare warning. Oh. Was it a jump scare? Alright. Oh crap, you're dead, bro. Salted crap.
Yeah, where are you? Oh, hey Bean. Hey Bean.
Oh my god, salted crackers, bro.
Yeah, salted cracker.
We are literally
So relatable.
robot monkeys.
Oh, hello. Guys, found the key.
Close that
What the shit? One key. Guys, to win we need 4 keys. I don't. To win we need.
You're not.
Bro, what are you yapping
Okay,
about?
guys,
I
come
can't
on.
see a key.
I cannot see a
We
key
need-
too.
Bruh. Oh shit!
Don't. Oh crap! Don't keep on.
So we're playing another level.
I mean, I don't know. Let's try to beat it.
You think it's safe? You think it's safe?
Yeah, it's safe. Okay.
Oh look here, that's the meatball.
Wait for me, guys.
Tomato.
Tomatoes. Where's the
Tomato. Where's he? Oh shit!
green?
Hey horsey. Guys. Yo bro, what's horsey doing?
Wait.
It's safe.
We closed it, right?
Whoa, bro, he said go go ga ga go ga ga.
XD.
Do we go
Bro,
to
he's
another
crazy.
level? Do we go to
What?
another level? Do we
No.
go to another level?
No.
Okay. You know, I'm not gonna record.
Anyways,
Same.
guys, that's the end of today's video.
That's it.
I'm pretty sure
yeah.
this is a short one, because my friend wants to switch.
Subscribe, guys. We're gonna eat your nose.
But this is
Sigma Skibidi!
Anyways, that's
Welcome to